In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to set up a maintenance page on your Wix website. This is a useful skill for website owners who want to display a temporary message while making site updates or improvements. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure your visitors see a polished maintenance page instead of a site that's under construction. To start, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the site you want to edit. When you're in your dashboard, you'll see an option to edit your site. Select that. Now, it's time to create a maintenance page. This is an important step as it allows you to present a professional face to your visitors while you work behind the scenes. In the main menu, you'll want to click Add Page and then name it Maintenance or Coming Soon. This helps alert your visitors that you'll be back soon and keeps them in the loop. Next, let's design this page. Include a clear message such as "We're improving our site. Check back soon." This reassures people that your site is undergoing enhancements. Don't forget to add your logo or branding, which helps maintain your identity even while your main site is offline. For those who wish to capture leads during this time, consider adding a contact form or newsletter sign-up option. Adding social media links is also a great move, as it allows visitors to stay connected with updates through other platforms. The next step is to make sure this maintenance page is the first thing visitors see. Go to Menus and Pages on the left-hand menu and find your new maintenance page. Hover over it, click the three dots, and select Set as Homepage. This ensures that all visitors land on the maintenance page by default. Now let's hide all other pages from visitors to keep the focus on your maintenance message. Hover over each page in Menus and Pages, click the eye icon and select Hide from Menu. For added security, consider setting these pages as password protected or members only within the page settings under Permissions. Finally, you'll want to publish your changes. Click Publish, and your site is now live with the maintenance page. This will be all that visitors see until you're ready to switch back. When you are ready to relaunch your main site, return to Menus and Pages, choose your real homepage, and click Set as Homepage. Make sure to unhide any pages you want publicly accessible and publish your changes once again. That's it. You now have a professional maintenance page set up on your Wix site, ensuring that your visitors have all the information